Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage listed treasure located in the heart of Australia's Northern Territory, is a vast and captivating landscape that beckons travelers from around the globe. Spanning an area of nearly 20,000 square kilometers, this extraordinary wilderness represents not only a testament to the stunning natural beauty of the region but also a repository of rich Aboriginal culture and history that stretches back thousands of years. There is an abundance of things to do and see in Kakadu National Park, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts, cultural explorers, and adventure seekers alike. One of the park's most iconic features is its remarkable collection of diverse ecosystems. From lush wetlands to towering sandstone escarpments, Kakadu offers a unique and ever-changing natural spectacle. Visitors can embark on captivating wildlife safaris, where they might witness saltwater crocodiles basking along riverbanks, vibrant birdlife including the majestic sea eagle, and a kaleidoscope of other native fauna and flora that thrive in this pristine environment. For those with an adventurous spirit, Kakadu presents countless opportunities for exploration. Hiking trails wind through the park, leading to hidden waterfalls, refreshing plunge pools, and panoramic viewpoints that provide sweeping vistas of the dramatic landscapes below. The challenging hike to the top of Gunlum Falls is particularly rewarding, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding wilderness. Cultural experiences are also at the forefront of Kakadu's allure. The park is home to a variety of ancient Aboriginal rock art sites that offer a profound glimpse into the history and stories of the local indigenous people. Ubir and Nurlangi Rock are two renowned locations where visitors can admire these remarkable artworks, some of which are believed to be over 20,000 years old. Water-based activities are another highlight of Kakadu. Cruising down the yellow water Billabong, one of the park's most famous wetlands, is an excellent way to observe wildlife in their natural habitat while enjoying the tranquil beauty of the waterways. Additionally, Kakadu boasts excellent fishing opportunities, with anglers seeking barramundi, catfish, and other native fish species in the region's pristine rivers. Visitors to Kakadu National Park also have the chance to immerse themselves in the Aboriginal culture that has thrived in this area for millennia. Several guided tours and cultural experiences are available, allowing travelers to gain insights into traditional practices, storytelling, and the enduring connection between the land and its indigenous custodians. Whether you're drawn to the rugged beauty of the landscapes, the rich cultural heritage, or the diverse wildlife that calls it home, Kakadu National Park offers a truly immersive and unforgettable experience. It's a place where you can step back in time, connect with nature, and be inspired by the enduring spirit of both the land and its people. A visit to Kakadu is not merely a vacation, it's a journey of discovery that leaves an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of all who venture into this captivating corner of the world.